Okay, let's remind you mlaleli kwinanda 88.4 FM sikhuluma no Gabriel Youngster and namamindos la in the studio. Siphuma na kwinyanga abantu abasha ngibusisekile ukuthi kube khona nembokodo kungabi Father's Day only. Bayike siphuma na kwinyanga abantu besifazane niphathi kanjani?
Siphathe kahle kakhulu.
Complain yeah. Ngicela ukuthi omunye asebenzise this mic omunye abe in on that mic.
Yes.
Alright. Uthando it's in the air and then you guys like to share.
Alright.
Now unyaka 2020 wona 2022 how is it treating you? Njengoba sekusele 3 months. How is it so far for you guys?
Okay. So, kubalalele abalalele ngithanda ukubonga lethuba lenisinike lona la eNanda FM ukuthi sikwazi ukuthola interview. Gama lami Samira, I'm part of Amamindolzi with the Gabriel Youngster. Yeah, 2022. Yay, it's been a tough year.
What's been tough about the 2022?
It's been tough, Njay, because of we've just recently started a trio as Mindols and Gabriel Youngster. So with that, we are now SMG. So SMG meaning Samira, Mindols, Mindoka, Gabriel.
Nice.
So now, just the SMG, we had to re-strategize. We had to recompose music, choose music. Okay, move music. So when the Siba 3 so it has been a tough year because even when we are going out there to look for gigs or when we get gigs, we had to decide to see are we going as a trio or are we going as a Mindos or is he going as a Gabriel Youngster boy? So yeah, it's been really a tough year, but hey. Through all esibhekene nakho we managed to ukuthi sidlule kukona and right now we are here as the SMG and with the single ethiwa asinamali.
Awesome. Now office ukwazi ngo Gabriel Youngster and Mindos nihlangane kanjani because I know mabe benibone you guys have always been working nibone nakuma event nenza umsebenzi wahlukahlukene DJing on stage and here and there nihlangane kanjani and what really made you guys nithi asivele sihlanganise lento sibe together sishaya siqhubeke siyele phambili?
Okay. Ngibingelele futhi kubo bonke uyena ke uGabriel Youngster all the way from Kwawa Isitongawini a founder of Youngster Production njengoba sesilo we here as SMG yes we had to actually decide ukuthi kahle kahle where do we go from here because we've been pushing for quite a long time and then we have seen ama mistake esiwenzile and nezinto esingazange siz attempted before and again what is missing ku industry.
Nice.
Yes, we know there is now actually female DJs, duo DJs. We have ama solo DJs. Yes, Sabono Shimza, so now we don't have a trio. We don't have a trio, and again with us coming together, we're coming in with a different style to create content to give to the audience. And Maskumbula Mindols, we have Umindok, of which is more into modeling and MCing. Then we have Osamira, whereby Abaning Bamaza as a rapper. And then we have myself as the all-rounder. So we had to take all of that and bring it together and say, listen, where do we go from here? And we see ourselves as international artists. So that's where, such as in, listen, let's put this thing together. We never saw 3 people DJing same time. We will be the first people. If bakhona kusho ukuthi asigababoni so kuzoba ithina bokuqala sebesiphuma fana nomdanso lo mdanso lo fike no DJ Spanban kanti uyithathe somewhere just bingakudumi leyo nto ne. So right now singasho we the first people we esifisa ukuthi abantu babone ukuthi yes, 3 people on deck, it can happen.
Ngisathi ngiyasho ukuthi angikaze ngiyibone nenza kanjani who stands where because sometimes khona kumele kube khona ngala kumele at least ngiyababona about 2 now 3 nenza kanjani please.
as right now we're busy actually strategizing this, but we have indlela whereby sometimes we say listen kule gig ngoba kanje we can have okay, we can split the set twice. Yes, that's obviously the easy way running away from it. But the other way, we have 3 decks. 3 decks. We decide who's busy gimmicking with a cappella, and who's busy selecting the next song, who's busy selecting the next song. So we have the mixer and 3 DJs, and we're playing along that. If one is not playing with the a cappella or gimmicking we on that song, then the other stands up, holds the microphone, entertains the crowd.
Sabawela ubuka leyo performance.
So that's how we do. Most asidinga a cappella njengamanje, we need ama-mindles to be on deck. Then I'm on stage. Making sure sabantu ba groove. Ungathiwa some ingoma lesiselekthile ayikho powerful that much. I need to make sure sabantu ba enjoy, because not everyone loves every kind of music. So that's how we fill up each other's gaps.
Working relationship injani for you guys, especially as a group, and ama challenges that comes with being in a group, because surely are fun with being artist ehamba yodwa and then also being in a group. What are the challenges that comes with being a duo or being in a group? Njengoba about 3.
Okay, njengoba sibo 3 na. Indaba iqala la selection.
Wow, okay.
Okay, angithi i-advantage ukuthi njengoba siyi-group uzokhetha ingoma. Mekhethile ingoma yokuqala kumele ngazi ukuthi mina kumele ngikhethe yiphi ingoma izoblenda nale ngoma le ayikhethile. So iyona advantage leyo. Naye lo wesithathu kumele ekhethe ingoma ezoblenda nale mase kushintshwa futhi sesashintsha sonke. So there is the advantage. It is advantage.
It is advantage that
the term of his genre.
Yeah.
So of genre.
Uthi adlaleni igqom namhlanje. I don't feel like ukudlala igqom namhlanje. I feel like ukudlala.
And then what happens there? Kwenzakalani ke la ayikho khona clash.
Well, Sibo 3 as all together, we've like sat down and okay, which genre would dominate? Then we chose that certain genre. So siyazi wherever that we go, depending on what a crowd last year ithandan and stuff like that. Then we have to accommodate the crowd with ithandan. Singayi ngokuthi ngoba nakho thina sithi sikhethele genre Sibo 3 sizodlala yona. No, but obviously we have to add it somehow along the way, but at the end of the day we need to satisfy a crowd.
All right, and then who's the Beyonce of the group?
Gabriel Young.
Why Gabriel Young?
Why
Gabriel Young?
Be curious. That question goes to you guys.
Ubani Beyonce got?
Akekho Beyonce because there's a male. There's a male.
And
there's
2 ladies.
No, like Beyonce, like the leader, like the person who likes to like take charge. It's Gabriel Young.
Samira, that look,
Oh wow!
I know it's idume calling it dance sounds, and you guys nikhulele eThekwini. So how would you describe a sound here, no? And how do you guys choose umuntu enithi ke sosebenza naye kwi project? Maybe it's a single or an album noma ke EP. Nikhetha kanjani and ningayichaza kanjani kwi sound kumuntu othi ke ngisafisa ukuthi ke ngibe ne understanding of his sound ama-mentors no Gabriel Youngster. How would you guys describe his sound here, no? And umuntu ofisa ukusebenza nani wenza njani? How do you guys select?
Beyonce.
Okay. No man. Firstly, kwabantu esifisa ukusebenza nabo noma esingasebenza nabo. We like abantu abakhuluma iqiniso when it comes to music.
Okay.
Who can speak to the music and the music can speak to the audience. And no matter what we're doing any kind of music talk, it's a dance music, but the song has to have a soul in it. If it doesn't have a soul, we have a problem. It has to have a soul. Then we're good.
Mina ngiyafundiseka ke la cause ngizama understand ukuthi uchaza ukuthini uGabriel Youngster. Song must have a soul, nesiyafunda namhlanje. Now if ungathiwa silungisa into eyodwa kulomkhakha we-entertainment kungaba yini and why? Because I know it comes with ama challenges amaningi for females, for males, for everybody. Yo inkinga zingapha nangapha. Now if ungathiwa there's shintsha into eyodwa ngalomkhakha kungaba yini? Ngicela answer from 1, 2 and 3.
Oh my God.
Okay. Kumina ngaba ukuthi mhlambe emaklabini or wherever we go and seek for jobs for DJing and stuff, or for performing, or for whatever that is involved in the entertainment. We do not use like one person, but try and alternate. You know, at least we have this month we have certain people, next month we have certain people. So that also abantu lababa, there's regulars endaweni, there's always regulars endaweni. Now bangakhathali uthi oh nangu sibanibani second ayishaya inambe, but obviously siyamazi like bring someone new and you know accept that person. Akwazi na ukuthi ayibonakalise endaweni yabo.
Kunzima ukubona abantu ababodwa every event man. Now let's talk about isingle Asinamali and hamba no Black Pearls kuyona. What inspired le ngoma and what really made you guys nikhethe all Black Pearls on this one?
Yes, ingoma Asinamali. We have looked at izinto ezenzakalayo around ukuthi umuntu uzofela ahlale endlini athi mfethu angikwazi ukuphuma mfethu kuba nginayo imali. And angikwazi ukuthi ngaya mhlawumbe eclubini because anginayo imali. But again, you need happiness, ne? Yes, ngaya eclubini that money akekho umuntu uzoxosha, yabo, because at the end of the day we need to have a vibe. Ingoma ethi asinamali kodwa sinayo vibe. Yes, bring the vibe. Abantu abanayo imali bazoqhamukela mos bakhona. It's fine, yabo, but heavy vibe. So happiness should start with you. Useclubini noma usendlini noma usedladleni iba ne vibe. So in each and every case that you find yourself in life, find yourself being happy before other things. That's then I'm a Black Pearls. Yeah. Obviously we had to go really deep into it because hey, oh man, I'm a Black Pearls all the way from Cape Town. Yes, all the way from Cape Town, ES Studio. So yes, they actually under a company of one of my friends, and obviously I had to take a leap of faith. No, these people are talented. Yes. And again, I'm the kind of person who likes to work with other people.
And this one is sound. It says isandla kwehla kancane kunalesa is the duf the gqom thing. Yeah, and you guys are coming back hard. But let's come back on the other side and hear more about Lengoma Siyayithola. We're getting our visuals, Maduza. Stick around on under 80.4 FM. The new sound of Gabriel Youngster, Ihamba Namamendol's Asinamali. There's Black Pearls.
Asinamali. Wenza njani? Asimfundise yona le mpahla. Ithi asinamali, asinamali. Wenzani? Yebo. Asa. Asinamali, asinamali. Washo wena. Asinamali. Yo wenza. Samo. Yeah. Show it.
Hayibo.
Asike.
Ngangaba.
Awehamba yedwa.
Nange mazi ye. Singene. Gabriel Youngster Mintos asina mali ayikho imali plus nomnotho imali inyukile uthi uyafika amafutha abiza le mali leyo ongazishe ekhanda ubheka irice libiza yonke asina mali guys ayiqinisile ama Mintos no Gabriel Youngster. But on the show sindawonye ngoze kushawa 2 shakedown show elami igama uKeno Nengwa kaMncwango. Now you guys nginazi kakhulu nishaya igqomu ningena ngapha nazi ukuthi nje maye kwahle kwangena nina hayi akakwazi umuntu ukuhlala phansi. And do we see you in future njengoba senithe ukushintsha kwale sound sezwa esinye isandla nje esipholile, do we see you guys jumping nakuma piano? Wow, it says it all.
I do believe ukuthi akumelanga ngabe sithi siyayiblock yabo, because at the end of the day we are musicians yabo, so we don't know yabo, ngeke sithi no or sithi yes. But again, we play by ear.
Yeah.
Good music is good music.
I got you. Now, now I know abantu abaningi khona umuntu osafisa ungena because mangabe ezobuka from a distance they see the fun face, the smiles. I want I should kumnandi kulomkhakha. And then khona osanda ngena, khona osanda qala, khona osafisa ungena. What would be advice with ama challenges enibhekane now with the things that you guys have came across kwi industry? Ungamcebisa uthini osangena nosaqala kwi industry?
Mina, number one, ngathi, firstly, you need to respect your craft. Number one. Number two, know ukuthi you will be lucky if you find somebody to actually just invest in you who has invested kwa wena. So kusho ukuthi be aware and be ready to actually invest to your own craft. Doesn't matter kanjani, but invest with craft yakho khona wonke umuntu ozokwazi ukubona ukuthi there is something in you. And then have fun while you're doing it, because at the end of the day you need to enjoy what you're doing. If it's when something ngokuthi ubone usibanibani eyenza, then it's not gonna work. Do it because you enjoy doing it, and the more you're having fun with it, the more abanye abantu bazo have fun with it.
Yeah, goes. And I all umuntu uhlezi ezonibona mangabe nise stage and shoot anezithombe, you guys are all looking happy. I happy kule industry.
Asikubuze wena nobuza.
Yini lobuzani?
Asizojikisa sobhayisa kakwena.
Industry ku happy ngempela because in pictures everybody's looking all happy.
Because the indoors uyithanda.
Yes, so that's why she's going enjoying it. So we sing you enjoying it. Yes, at the end of the day, whatever that is happening khona laphana is not so much of happiness, but while you're doing whatever that you're doing, are you happy now? Then if you get the answer, then you good.
Noted. Well, yes, sesiya ngasemaphethelweni of our conversation says of course nonyaka usuyaphela 3 months left. Phumile asina mali. Do we get ama visuals and even ama future plans ami kanjani? What are future plans ngalindelani from you guys? Silindile ne EP ne album phe. So ngalindelani future plans?
Yeah, definitely we going to be dropping ama looks and ama visuals. So update when, because obviously the song is pushing us. And right now we're still waiting for we see launching in Bella the song, but only when we're reaching 100,000 streams. So far we're sitting on 27,000 actually. Yes, I just checked now. We're on 27,000
one time
on Spotify. So might say 100K.
Yeah.
Then we know. So now we are launching the song.
So ngabe kwenzeke mlaleli ngena manje ukuze bafike ku 100K siyithole le visual lesibabona ukuthi ngibenza njani, nawe uthole nethuba lokubabona labantu enginabo la in the studio.
Yes.
Okay. And then otherwise even other ngaphandle kwe asina mali, what else can we expect from Nina?
Yeah, there's more coming. We need to actually get you guys by surprise. As fun but there is a lot of work that we have, and we're still planning ahead. We need to play by ear what people love about us. And again, because we do have sound is but as well as Nant. When you start introducing it slowly up until they catch up on time, then it's going to flow now, because we are actually aiming to go international.
Sure.
So that's where we're heading. So
and you guys have what it takes, because ngibona indlela enisebenza ngayo since nganazi and indlela enipusha ngayo ayiphelile and ikanithatha abanisiphe yibo
So iningi njengemala Big Zoo.
Oh, okay.
Sunshine.
Sivale kamnandi social media because siyafisa unilandela sibone ukuthi nibhizi ngani sinithola sinilandela kanjani on socials.
Okay, on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Mindols. That is MINDOLLZZ MINDOLLZZ at Mindols, or at SMG_SA. That is SMG_SA Satolagala, Instagram and Facebook.
You guys have been so amazing. Ngifisela wonke ukuthi le energy now nize ningayeki guys. Sengathi ngaqhubeka khanye, sathi ngaqhubeka nisinike good music. All the best for future endeavors.
For bookings.
Now.
Make sure that you call or WhatsApp 071 83 89 798. 071 83 89 798. Or email bookings@youngstarproduction.com bookings@youngstarproduction.com.
Asithi danko sibonga kakhulu guys and all the best ne.
Yebo, danko.
Ngabe ngithi zazaze yabo kube kusakisa izazazela nje isana kuphuma manje ngabe ngithi faka namazaza kwangoku.
Yebo, nisangawafaka phela sesiyabusama.
Otherwise I was hanging out with the Gabriel Youngstar and my main dolls in studio Winanda 88.4 FM. Enjoy.